How are you all? This video is going to be an exciting one, as today we are going to talk about some interesting expressions from the word chill. The word chill has multiple meanings. For example, to make someone or something cold, or an unpleasant feeling of coldness. Oh God, I don't know what to do. What happened? I have a lot of work to do. I'm really stressed. I don't know how am I going to finish it. Take a chill pill, Pooja. I know you have a lot on your plate. Don't worry, I'm there to help you. Take a chill pill. It is an idiom which is used to tell someone to relax. Where is my food? I want it right now on my table. I'm starving. Oh God, she's acting crazy. Well, in a similar situation, if any of your friend, just like mine, is acting crazy in a restaurant, shopping mall, or anywhere, you can say, "Chill out, Pooja. Your food will be here in no time." As chill out is an expression which means to calm down. Hey Anne, long time no see. What are your plans for next Sunday? Hey Pooja, no plans yet. What about you? Oh, would you like to join me for a lunch? Yeah, sure, let's chill. Did you hear the expression "let's chill" in the conversation? Well, let's chill is the third expression which means to hang out with your loved ones. I'm vibing, I'm chilling, I'm good. Oh, I love this song. It says, I'm chillin'. Well, I am chilling is an expression which means I am relaxing. So if you are relaxing today, you can say, hey, I'm just chilling. Harsh is chill. I like him. Let's invite him over lunch. Does that mean Harsh is cold? Absolutely not. It means Harsh is a cool guy. It means he's a good guy. So if you like someone, you can say he is chill or she is chill. Let me know the expression which you liked the most in this video in the comment section. Keep learning, stay amazing. And to get notification for our next videos, click on the bell icon, and to ace your fluency, download our app, and I'll catch you again in the next video.